Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to install Java on your macOS using SDKMAN. So let's get started. First, we need to install SDKMAN itself. To do that, open Launchpad and search for terminal and click on it. Then run the following command. This will download and install SDKMAN on your system. After the installation, you will need to reload your terminal configuration. You can either close and reopen terminal or run this command. Now to make sure SDKMAN installed properly, run SDK version command. And if you see a version number, you're good to go. Now that we have SDKMAN, let's use it to install our Java. First, let's check which Java versions are available by running SDK list Java command. Here you will see a list of distributions and versions. For this tutorial, let's install OpenJDK 21. Now copy the version number and press Q to exit. Simply run SDK install Java command. Now SDKMAN will download and install Java 21. Once that's done, you can confirm the installation by running Java version command. If everything worked, you should see the installed Java version displayed. Alright, now that we have installed Java, let's quickly verify that it's working properly by running a simple Java program. First, open terminal and create a file by running this command. This will open a basic text editor right in your terminal. Now let's create a simple Java program that prints a message to the screen. Once you have added the code, save and exit by pressing Ctrl X, press Y and enter. Now let's compile the program by running javac hello-world.java. If there are no errors, you will see no output, which means compilation was successful. Finally, let's run the program with this command. If everything is working properly, you should see this message displayed. And that's it. You have just verified that Java is installed and running smoothly on a Mac. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more content like this. And hey, if you run into any issues or have any questions, comment below or feel free to message me on Discord. I'll be happy to help you out. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.